May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast. We're going to take a good look at the euro. We're looking at the euro USD when you're looking at the futures, because when you're looking at trading the euro on the spot, you are trading against the US dollar. It is automatic. All right. So we are looking at euro USD in essence. All right. Just more precision on the pricing. That's all it is. All right. So we're looking at a very bearish market. We're looking at the monthly time frame, right? But we've been in this consolidation for uh, maybe about 2 years now, right? And it's not a great place to be trading. However, if we take a closer look, we can get a clue as to which direction the market is trending. Now, you can see here these four candles. All right, this consolidation here took 4 months, and it was right around 1,000. This is a round number. This is what the market likes to see. They like to put orders here for buyers and sellers uh, at the round numbers. So when you see uh, price finding resistance there, you know, at these round numbers, you'll understand why. This is where they like to place their orders. Okay. Uh, the other observation is in August we had a breakout. In September, we closed above these highs. We closed above it, which is very important to note because it indicates price wants to go higher. All right, we didn't go higher the next month. Why? I don't know. Right, but what we did do is we closed within the range of this candle, of the previous candle. All right, this was our previous month. You got to excuse my mouse has been getting stuck lately. I don't know why. All right. And then because it didn't close above that high, you got to expect this low is vulnerable. All right. And that's exactly what happened this month. We we pushed past that low. Fine. Uh, no big deal. But this isn't a closed candle. This is still an early candle for the month forming. And you can see it's already wicking uh, at the 1,000 area. Right now we're at 1,007. Okay. Have we broken through resistance and now we're going to see it as support? Yeah. Yeah. That's what we're looking at. We're looking at that principle. If we look at the weekly, all right, I'm not a support and resistance trader by any means. All right, I'm an ICT guy, but I'm just you can't help but notice that we're butting heads, we're butting up against this 1,000 price level, and then once we break out, here we are revisiting it, and this is an interesting area for buyers and sellers. That's all there is to it. All right, I look for fair value gaps. I look for order blocks, but only order blocks that have fair value gaps. We'll go into that some other time. But with that downward movement last week, the way it closed very strong to the downside, this is a very bearish candle. Once it broke past this, we have to take note. That's a structural break there. All right. This signifies a market shift. All right. From bullish to bearish. All right. But what I also notice is, sorry, I thought I had a writing. All right. It didn't take out the high, the previous high. All right. This is a swing failure. Once it goes past here, okay, we're moving down. We're bearish. That's fine. All right. What I'm gonna do now is put this Fibonacci tool from the low swing to the high swing. Move it on over, and where do we find ourselves? In the golden ratio 618. All right. This is the area that you would start to look for bullish setups if they form. If they form. All right. But I'm looking for bullish setups to form. That's why I got this little arrow here, because this is where prices find support and will push up. ICT will call this the OTE, the optimal trade entry. All right. When it comes down to 618, 705, and the 786, this is the area where we look for price to, uh, after an impulsive move, we look for price to correct to it or retrace to that optimal trade entry area, and we can look for longs in there. But if they form, if the price action gives us that signature, then we can look for longs there. What are we looking at on the daily? Let me move that. All right, you already see that we are aligned we are aligned with that 618 area. All right. What do we have over here? We see it clearly, this area of 1,000. All right. How it has turned price back around. And once we fought above it, we come back to the area to retest. We come back to the area of the breakout. Boom. This is where we want to see price turn around. And that's what I'm looking for coming next week. Early next week, we're going to find out Monday if Israel is going to retaliate against Hezbollah and Hamas, and see if prices, see if the war escalates or not, and if if the war does escalate, if there's more retaliatory attacks. Did I say that right? We see more fighting, an escalation of fighting, then this this will go down. This price will go down, and if I see price close below 194, well, call it 1.0900, 0940, 0950. If I see the price close below that, we're coming down here. And I don't want to see that. I don't want to see price come all the way past that 786. All right. I'm looking for price to turn around in this area. If you like the video, smash the like button. Give this video a boost. It helps the channel to grow. Okay. Leave a comment if you have a question or if you have a market that you want to analyze. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.